Hey, good morning traders, and welcome to the next way trading. This new video is again about the best 100 strategies for binary options. I don't know what part is 6 or 7, but I found this strategy very good and interesting. How to set up and how to trade with this strategy with a simple zigzag indicator. Just need to add. We are gonna trade for 30 seconds. Look at the chart for 30 seconds and trade for 5 minutes. If you notice here, I have my first trade. Let's go to finish it and explain why I trade with this in this moment with these currency pairs and trade for the down direction and trade for 5 minutes. I'm gonna explain the next strategy on the next trade. So let's go to see how ended this one. Wish me good luck. I really hope to have good results. Okay, we have this one in the money. We have this first trade in the money. Well, let's go to explain why I trade with this strategy and how to set up. Let's go to add this indicator zigzag. Remember using that. Let's go to search another example, another trade to have a better vision why or where we need to take the trades. Okay, we have a good one here. So you can watch the doji candlestick. That means that is the signal that I'm waiting for to have another opportunity to trade, in this case for the down direction with this strategy. If you notice too, the previous trade going to the up direction, this candlestick. So we have the doji here and we trade for the down direction for 5 minutes. That is the first signal or the first indicator we have to look. Now, all you have to do is a basic knowledge about the candlesticks, the patterns candlesticks. I can add to the stochastic oscillator. Look at this, is going down to, it's oversold, so you can trade for a down direction or sell on that moment. So we trade for 5 minutes to leave the chance to the market reach the price that we are waiting for. In this case, is need to be below of the enterprise, and you can saw the pattern repeats. You can see the doji here. For this case, is a hammer. A hammer going to the up directions, change the trend, and repeats the pattern over and over again. You can look in here. We have a stronger downtrend, so we are waiting for opportunities for the down direction trade for a put in this case. this is the way that I liked it. I like this strategy. Actually, I consider it this is maybe one of the best ones. I have two right now. I have two strategies: the price action, this zigzag indicator, really, really good strategies for binary options. Just need to have patience, and we are waiting for right now to end in this trade. Okay, we have another one in the money with this strategy. Remember, repeats the pattern. We have the doji and start going down. We have a stronger downtrend, so we trade only for put directions, 30 seconds candlestick, and we trade for 5 minutes. Remember, just add the zigzag indicator. The sentence by default, and that's it. Let's go to search another trade. Maybe here we can have another chance. The stochastic looking good. Let's go to waiting for a doji or hammer candlestick. Right now it's happening. We trade. The hammer stick is the green candlestick, so maybe that can be our signal. Let's go to wait to see how ended, and maybe we can have another in the money. this case, we have bad luck, was out the money. It's okay. It's not 100% effective, but it's really good strategy for binary options. Trust me, I tested yesterday, and right now I'm trading with the broker Quotex, but you can trade with the broker Pocket Option or the broker that you prefer. That too is the best that I can recommend because they pay out. That is the truth. And we are trading with a real account. You can see it here. This is my real account. And the last week I request my withdrawal, so I'm waiting for increase again my balance. Maybe this month can be a good month for me. And I trade into just following the signals inside the day trading signals group. You can be part of this. You can use in the link below on this video. It's totally free in the Discord channel. On the Discord channel you can join us. So using the link below on this video is totally free signals for binary options. And maybe I consider it, maybe we can trade using this strategy. Okay, I think this is a good one. We have the pattern here. We can trade for a down direction for the next 5 minutes. Let's go to change the amount for 200 to recover the losses that I had previously. And let's go to waiting for to see how it ended. I really love this strategy. Look in this, it's really good. We have a beautiful in the money, we have 3 in the money, we recover the losses, we have a good amount of profits just testing this strategy. I will continue trading with this strategy. Obviously it's really good, and this is the best strategies for binary options, the best 100 strategies for binary options. Really good, guys. I really hope so this video liked it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and remember to join us to the day trading signals group. And remember, search the pattern, always repeat the pattern, this strategy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you on the next wave.